Do this. A little bit more. All right, that should be enough for us to make our cleaners. All right. You look pad open. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Go back. Let it roll a little bit so you clear this front. Just a little bit. All right. You got room to go down and clear the handles?
You gotta stand up.
Okay. I think you're looking good. Keep it at this angle. We good. Just go real slow. You see your back?
Yeah, I see it. See the front too?
Mm-hmm.
Can I turn a little bit?
I got you. All day long. You good. Keep going. Start coming down to me. I got your weight. All right.
Yeah.
Push that scuff pad you're standing on a little bit further to the wheel before you move it. All right, there you go. All right, it's ready, Kenny. Perfect. All right, we're good to clean up, take everything out. Let's do our hookups, put everything back up. And we are good to go. 42-inch home delivery. Completed with 0 damage. It's gonna fold over to the left.
Almost.
Can you see the plug on your side too?
Hey, I got a plug right here. Water.
Oh yeah. Definitely.
I gotta put the switch on the time. Let me plug it up.
Well, yeah, he can keep switch off. That's good till we get it in place.
It's on.
Did you want it on?
No, I don't.
We must have hit it with our glasses. Was making it turn.
No, there's a lead, so I don't think so.
All right, cool. That's good. That's good. That's good. Do that one across. Yeah, that's it right there. That was almost too big.
I know who you were sitting over there.